welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine and thanks for visiting today. We are going to do a mock-up video. Basically, a mock-up is a professional way to display your items that you're selling. This is for people that have a boutique or have an online store, either any kind of stores that's selling something. You can mock the image up and make it look real nice and professional, and it's real simple to do instead of always making different items for somebody that might not want them. You can just mock them up and then make them as you go. And also, you can also mock up an image. You can show one of your customers when they're purchasing items from you. You can mock up an image and show them how this image will look before you get done with it, so they can before you finish it, so they can be able to tweak it if they want to. You can tweak it for them if you want to. For instance, if you have a customer that wants a T-shirt and they're going out of town or something like that, you can show them different mock-ups of this T-shirt you have. Instead of making 1,001 T-shirts, you could just show them some mock-ups, and then they can choose which one, and then you can make it for them. Hope that makes sense. I have a few different ways that I make my mock-ups. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a mock-up through Cricut. Well, all of them is going to be through Cricut, really, but you can make it. I'm going to just show you. Okay, first of all, you go to design space. Okay, and then you can go to new project. Start a new one out. And then what you need to do is go ahead and make a blank canvas. And how you make a blank canvas, you go over here in this corner right here between the two zeros and you click on it. I'm gonna open the screen up and go to Google. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put white T-shirt. Sometimes I put blank white T-shirt, but today I'm gonna go ahead and put blank white T-shirt. And then we just push enter, and then you go to images right up here, right here. And then you just find a nice one that looks good. You can't find the one with the price tags on it. Go down and just look. You just search for a nice T-shirt. For this video, I'm going to choose. I already have one saved that I like because I search for a nice one that I want. So, but with this video, I'm just going to show you this one for this demonstration. Then you right click on it. I have a Mac, so y'all computer might be different, but this is how it works on a Mac Air. Okay, then you go to save image as. Then you just go ahead and put down whatever you want to put yours in. Like I would have put white T-shirt. Now I put it on my desktop so I can be able to get it when I'm ready to use it. Okay, so that's how you can do that right there. Then you just save it. But I'm not gonna save it because I already have one already ready for me. So I'm gonna go to and then after you do that, you just go to upload in your Cricut. And then you find a T-shirt. So go to image, browse. Mine's right here. White T-shirt. Do not open it. And then what you're gonna do here, you gotta make it you go to complex. You wanna make sure you get all the background from behind it. Then you just click on it to make it transparent. Then you continue. And you save it. That's how you get the background. Anything you get from Google, you can get to take the background off just like that. Then you insert it. And there's my T-shirt. Okay? That's not okay, let's see that right there. And then what I need to do now, I can go and find an image to put on it. I can make the screen bigger. You can see it better. Bring it over here like this. Let me see. So then I can go to upload. Now I'm gonna put a nice image on here. Let me find an image. For this, let me see. Upload. Go into my images. Then I'm gonna choose her. Then push OK. Then I'm gonna go ahead and push save. I'm gonna click her and go to insert. Then now you just gotta make her smaller. And make sure you make the image the size you're gonna make it, or how it's gonna look on the shirt. Like you don't want to have the head so covering the whole shirt, but then when you get it to your clients, it's gonna be half of the shirt, like really small. So since I know that Cricut only print out 6x6 or 6x9, I make it a nice size. So I know that the size that I know is gonna fit on the shirt. And then make sure you put it in the right space, like right here. I used to go 3 finger space down from the neckline. So I just try to fix it the best way I know how to do it. And I just Bring her down like this. Make sure it's in the even. You just want to make sure it looks like it's gonna look. So I'm gonna get rid of these lips right here. So what I need to do is click over here on the lips right here. This the lips. Yeah. I'm gonna just push the eye on it so we can delete it. Delete that too. I'm sorry. Delete all that, and then I'll leave it right there. And then you had the shirt on the white background, which white do not really look. If you do not want a white background, you can go to shapes and get a square and just put it behind your shirt. And that square can be, and you can change that square color to whatever color you want your background to be. So you will not have a white shirt on a white background. You can go ahead and choose a shape and make it whatever color you want to be your background. So this is one way you can do it. Then if you want to, this is how you want it. You just basically screenshot it. You go Command-Shift-4 so you can screenshot it. And then just highlight. I don't do the whole shirt. I do half of the shirt. Whatever is good for you. So I do it like that. And then this is how it's going to look when you showing your customers. And what I do is it just saves as a I save it to my desktop. Then I just send it to Facebook or to my website. This is how it looks. And so you have a white background, look professional. That's simple and easy. So you could, this also another way you can do too. You can do too. So you can also save. You can go and look for black T-shirts, whatever the color shirts you use. You can use those shirts. Let me show you another way you can do. If you don't want a white background, what I did was I went on to Google and I searched for brown light. Let me see, light brown floor. Okay. And I just click on that. And I go to images. You always go to images. Then you look for the nice color you want. Maybe this one's nice, or this one. This nice tile. A lot of people do a lot of mock-ups with nice tile floor, you know, for the background. So I'm just going ahead and right click on that and then save it as image, and you save it wherever you want to save it. Save it as whatever you want to save. But I already saved mine, so I'm going to come out of that. I'm going to go back to the design space, and now I have my little tile right here. I already saved it that I got off the internet. So this right here is a simple way, a fast, simple way, and it will look good if you had it on a colored shirt, white background. That'd be cute. But since you got white on top of white, which I've used white on top of white before, so it's no problem. You can do that. But if you want it more, a little bit more fancier, you can just use tile. So you just make it the size you want to make it. Then I just put the shirt on top, and then you basically got to move, you go up to arrange, and you move to the front, send to the front, and there's your shirt. Let me just scoot it over here in the middle some. I'm going to make it bigger so you can see it. It's not going to be how big it's going to be. It's just basically I'm making the screen bigger. So then, right here, and then I put the face on here, and I'm going to move her to the front also. Go to arrange. Also, put some words on here too. Like if you just don't want the face on there, you can also put something else on there, another SVG, or you can put text in there too. But I'm just using another SVG. Let me see. You can just see how I'm just trying to do some simple ones so you can just see how you can put more images on one mock-up. So then I just make this smaller, just make it fit on the shirt. Make sure it's gonna look like you're gonna get the shirt. You're gonna give it to them. Just make sure it looks nice. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the middle. And then you gotta keep on moving everything around. But after you're done with it, you can weld it. You can flatten it if you want to. But I really don't flatten them because when I'm finished doing a mock-up, I do save it. Because if somebody want the image, want the item, I can have it saved. Now I just basically use the same images that I use. So I do save this and create. I do save this in design space. Okay. That looks pretty good. Let me just make it bigger so you can see it. Make sure it's centered. Make sure it's professional. Don't rush. You really got to take your time. But for this video, I'm just going to rush a little bit because I want this video to be long. But you know what I mean. Just make sure it's centered. And then, okay, so then I go to Command Shift 4 so I can get my screenshot it. This time I'm going to do the whole picture. Okay. So go ahead and do it like this. Then I screenshot it, and this is how it's going to look when you ready to give it to your customers, or you can put it in your Facebook page, your website, however. So that's really nice. Okay, like you really took that picture, even though the head kind of is not centered, but you know what I mean. I'm just trying to hurry up and get it done for this video because I don't want it to be a long video. But see, that's nice. But I have more ways to show you. Okay, so let me see. So I'm done with this. And then I'm just going to head and push to the side. So you can use any kind of background. You can use floors. You can use anything. Google whatever you want to use. But you can also go to the dollar store, where you can also go to Etsy and get like backgrounds, like anything, flowers, anything you want. You can find it. A nice camera and a nice place in your home that you can just go ahead and take a picture. You can get a backdrop, and you can put it on your floor next to some nice lighting. You can take a picture of that. You can take a picture, then you can bring it into Design Space. So that's another way too. You can do it. You can take a picture and send it to Design Space, and then you can, whatever picture this is right here, like you take a picture of his shirts, and then you'll just put it right here, and then you'll put the image on top of that shirt, just like that, just like we did this one. But I didn't take a picture yet, so I don't have to worry about doing that. The third one is you can go ahead and go to Etsy and pay for it. You can pay for your mock-ups. So let me go ahead and show you on Etsy. I saved a few of them so I can show you just for this video. I haven't purchased them yet, so I won't be able to use them, but you can see what I mean. So you just you search for mock-up. You just say mock-up in Etsy, and this is what I found. I found this one. This is a nice one. I didn't purchase it, but you can see how this is how the other one looked that I had already Googled. So you can do it for free. But if you don't have time to search on Google for the background, for the backdrop, for the shirt, and all that kind of stuff, you can just come to Etsy and pay for it. And it's not, I mean, this is $3.50, so that's a lot of money for a backdrop when you can create your own, like I just showed you. The wood is not as pretty as this, but you can probably find some nice wood like this on Google. You just take your time. So basically, you purchase this, and then they send it to you digital file, and then you just save it into your computer. And then this right here would not be here. You just put whatever you want to put on here. So this is another way to do a mock-up. So let me go back and show you some more. Like you do mock-up on cups. Here's one for $4. Or like I said, you can take a picture of a cup in your house with nice lighting, and then you can mock it up like that. Here's a picture of the pillow. I'm going to use this one right here. This is pretty cool because I have rugs that I can mock up, because this is the same rug from Home Depot that we use for sublimation. So that's pretty cool that they made that one. But it's $4, or you can just do it at home. But this lighting is beautiful. The lighting is perfect. So if you don't have good lighting, it's best to go ahead and buy it from Etsy. Okay. And it's another for pillows. So I'm gonna do sublimation pillows. I can do it like that. I thought I had some more. Here they are. Okay, here's another one from Etsy. I like this one because you can just put down what you want. These are mock-ups, so this will not be here. I don't know about this. I don't know why this there, but it's only $2. And let's see another one. I like this one too because it has the jeans and everything together for you. It really looks pretty, so you can be able to match up anything with that. So these are just nice mock-up. That's $2.75. This one is nice with the jeans to go to it. It just looks so professional. The lighting is done. You can see a photographer did that. The photographer did it, and they just uploaded it into the computer, and they're getting paid for them. So it's a good way to get paid because they had that lighting and they good pictures. So all this, you just take this down right here, and you put your image right there, just the same way I showed you how to do the other one. This is the same way you do it from for Etsy. You download it, and then you put it in your into the Cricut design, and then you screenshot it like I did. It's a nice one too. The one this look like mine's almost with different color wood. I know I had the flowers in the back, so. There we have it. See how easy it is? It's so easy to make your stuff look professional. Okay, I got this image off of Etsy. I went on here and paid for it, so I'm just going to show you how I did this. So basically, I just uploaded it into Cricut Design Space, push complex, And then I go ahead and push continue. Continue. This is the one I said I saw with the jeans on. And I'm gonna go to my projects because I already had one started already. There he is. And then I try to make it smaller. And like I said, the same way I did with this. It's all tacked together though, so I don't gotta worry about it. Make it a little bit smaller. Just because the shirt is smaller than the shirt that I had over there. Okay, and voila. Like I said, it's not perfect right now, so I'm just trying to get this video out the way. And then what I do is go ahead and even though this stuff is already over here on the design space, it don't matter because you're only gonna cut, basically, you're gonna screenshot this area right here. Really cute, so I can do a lot of different, I use the same mock-up for everything just to make it look professional. And I'm gonna use this one for my video today. So yes, I did purchase this from Etsy. And this one right here I did myself, you know, just by Googling floor, brown floor and white tee, and then I just put her image on the top, and see how easy that can be. You can do it yourself or you pay for it, okay? Or you can, the simple one, you can use the background. Take the shirt and just use it as a background, the white background here on Cricut. So those are the ways that you can do a mock-up. 3 steps on how to do a mock-up. And what a mock-up is just a professional way to display your products that you're selling, or it's a professional way to show your clients what you're going to make them before they pay the whole price. Like for me, I basically take half of my clients' money for a down payment, and then I get a mock-up together, show them, and they can tweet. They can let me know if they want me to make any changes. After that, I get the other half of their money, and then I make it and ship it to them. So that's just the way I do my business. I do have a business called Charming Gal Boutique. I have a website, and it's charminggalboutique.com. Also, if you like this content in this video, please subscribe to this video. I do videos. I upload videos almost twice a week. Lately I've been doing like 3 times a week. So I do a lot of different things with Cricut, and blinging cups, and doing sublimation and heat press. So let me know if you like. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe and hit that bell, and then you can be notified when I do more videos. Please join I have a page called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut on Facebook. It's a group page, so please look us up on Facebook and join the group. I do tutorials, I do polls. The ladies in my group, they tell me what they want to learn, and we do a poll. Pick out a topic that has the highest number, and then I do a video on that, and then we discuss it. I do live videos, do tutorials, and we just all get in the group. We talk amongst each other, and we find creative ideas to do different projects, and we help each other out. So please join our group. Again, it's Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been talking kind of fast today. I'm kind of tired, but I just want to get this video out there to make 60 notebooks. So if y'all want to know how to do notebook sublimation, I have a video already on my page about that. So check that out too. All right. Thanks for watching.